What if I told you? The fastest way engineers learn cloud, AI, and DevOps is not certifications, not long trainings, and definitely not PowerPoint slides. Instead, top companies use something called a Tech Dojo. In this video, you'll learn what a Tech Dojo really is, why enterprises love it, how it works in cloud and AI teams, and how it can boost your career as an engineer, TPM, or tech leader. Let's get started. What does dojo mean? The word dojo comes from Japanese. It means a place to learn the way. Traditionally, a dojo is where martial artists practice repeatedly, learn through discipline, improve by doing, not by watching. Tech teams borrowed this idea and said, why can't engineers learn the same way? And that's how the Tech Dojo was born. What is a Tech Dojo? A Tech Dojo is a hands-on learning environment where teams build real solutions while learning modern technologies. No long lectures. No fake examples. Just real problems, real code, real learning. Think of it as a gym for technical skills, a safe sandbox for experimentation, a fast-track learning model for enterprises. How a Tech Dojo works, step by step. A typical Tech Dojo works like this. Step 1. Identify a skill gap. Cloud, AI, DevOps, security, you name it. Step 2. Form a small, focused team. Developers, architects, TPMs, sometimes even product managers. Step 3. Work on a real use case. Not theory, not slides, actual business problems. Step 4. Learn, build, fail, improve. Pair programming, demos, feedback. Step 5. Take the learning back to real projects. That's how impact spreads across the organization. Types of Tech Dojos you'll see. In modern enterprises, you'll commonly see Cloud Dojos, AWS, Azure, GCP migrations, cloud-native design. AI/ML Dojos, prompt engineering, model integration, AI governance. DevOps Dojos, CI/CD automation, SRE practices. Security Dojos, secure coding, threat modeling, compliance. Agile and engineering practice dojos, clean code, test automation, system design. Why companies love Tech Dojos? Companies love Tech Dojos because skills improve fast. Teams gain confidence. Knowledge spreads organically. Dependency on consultants reduces. Engineering maturity goes up. And most importantly, People actually retain what they learn. Why Tech Dojos matter for your career. If you're a developer, cloud engineer, TPM or program manager, tech lead or architect, Tech Dojo experience helps you speak the language of engineers, understand real-world trade-offs, lead modern cloud and AI initiatives, stand out in interviews. In fact, many companies now ask, have you worked in a dojo-style environment? Interview-ready one-liner. I asked Ghost work. A Tech Dojo is a hands-on, practice-driven learning model where cross-functional teams build real solutions to rapidly develop technical skills and spread best practices. Save that one. Save that one. So next time someone says Tech Dojo, you'll know it's not just a buzzword. It's how modern teams actually learn cloud and AI. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Skills on Cloud, and comment below, Dojo. I'll see you in the next one.